Hello and welcome to my art and cooking channel. I'm Cynthia Maynard and thank you for joining me today. I thought I'd try something. It's inspired. Here's my little castle, a little modern for me, but thought I'd try something inspired by Cubism. So it's not an exact Cubist painting, but it kind of has that inspiration, that sort of color blocking look. And so I went ahead and just briefly sketched out a castle, kind of sticking to just a few kind of teals and golds and or more yellows and blues and variations of those colors, and just blocking those in. And I thought it was fun. It almost reminded me of like a castle version of the Northern Lights. It's kind of smudgy and blocky at the same time, if that makes any sense, which it probably doesn't, but that's okay. Anyway, I'm working here on some Canson mixed media paper that is cream. It is the graduate line, and even though that's meant for maybe student grade, it actually is a very nice sturdy paper and works really well for oil pastels. Of course, my favorite is my tone tan, but it's nice when you can get these, and I just tape off the sides and it already has nice clean cut. I think this is 5.5 by 8.5. I'm trying to think, but a nice little pad of paper. You can get them in larger pads as well, but it's a nice, has a tooth to it. And so it works really well for the oil pastels. I'm using Mungyo Gallery, Art Echo, mostly, and I have my Paul Rubin on my desk. I don't know that I use it in this particular one. Mostly Art Echo here. They have a great array of colors, right around the 40 mark, which is about the same as the Mungyo Gallery. If you hit my Amazon store link down there, it'll take you to my categories there for art supplies. But yeah, it was kind of fun, something a little bit different. I've been sick a lot, as you can tell, and my voice, sorry about that, but just getting different inspiration from different things and smudging away. I keep some baby wipes near me, and when they work really well to dry off your hands, get the pastels off, and then I let them dry and reuse them a few times before I throw them away. So then going in with a charcoal pencil and kind of defining those lines of the castle there, the towers and whatnot, and little windows and things. So that's about that. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll put some music on. Check out those links, and I'll see you in the next video.